Hello and welcome. Today you will learn 50 English sentences that you can use at home every day. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Ready? Let's start. Family and home English sentences. Wake up. Repeat after me. Wake up. It's time to get up. Good morning. Brush your teeth. Wash your face. Take a bath. Get ready. Have your breakfast. Don't be late. Have a good day. Come here. Sit down. Stand up. Listen to me. Please be careful. Open the door. Close the door. Turn on the fan. Turn off the light. Clean your room. Are you hungry? Are you thirsty? Do you need help? What are you doing? Where are you going? When will you come back? Please wait. Hurry up. Take your time. That's okay. Eat healthy breakfast. Let's eat together. The food is ready. It tastes good. I like this food. Can I help you? Thank you very much. You're welcome. That's a good idea. I agree with you. Let's do it. How was your day? I had a great day. I am feeling tired. I need some rest. Everything is fine. Don't worry. Take care of yourself. See you tomorrow. Good night. Sweet dream. Great job. Repeat these sentences every day and your English will improve naturally. Keep practicing and keep speaking English. If you practice daily with me, you will feel your English speaking is improving. So, you should practice daily. See you in the next lesson. Till then, bye-bye.